Today we are going to learn some harbor words. What is a harbor? A harbor is a safe place for a boat. Boats come to the harbor and boats stay in the harbor. Here in the Netherlands, harbors are very important. The Netherlands has a lot of water. There are canals, lakes, rivers and the sea. For many people, boat is like a bicycle. They use boats for fun, for holiday and for relax. On sunny days, families go out on their boats. They travel through canals and lakes. Some people sail, some people fish, some people just sit on the boat and enjoy the view. Harbor is not just a place for a boat. It's also a place where people meet friends, drink coffee and enjoy the summer. Boats move on the water. Harbors have a lot of water. I saw a beautiful sailboat. A sailboat has a sail. The sail helps the boat move. Near the sailboat there was a dock. A dock is a place where boats stop. The sailboat was next to the dock. People can get on a boat at the dock. I also saw a rope. The rope was holding the boat. The rope stopped the boat from moving away. At the front of the boat, we have the bow. Bow is the front part of the boat. At the back, we have the stern. The stern is the back part of the boat. Another important word is bridge. A bridge goes over the water. People walk or drive on a bridge. Sometimes a bridge opens for boats. Many boats have a steering wheel. The steering wheel helps the captain control the boat. The mast is a tall pole on the boat. Most boats also have an engine. The engine helps the boat move when there is no wind. Many boats also have an anchor. The anchor goes down into the water and keeps the boat in one place. Some boats have a cabin inside. A cabin can have beds, a table and a small kitchen. When I look at the harbor, I can see all these parts on different boats and yachts around me. Every boat has a name. You can often see the name written on the side or the back of the boat. Some people love fast boats. A yacht is usually bigger and more comfortable than a smaller boat. Before sailing, sailors check the weather and the wind. The wind is very important for sailing yacht. If there is not wind, the yacht cannot move very well. Many yachts have large windows, so people can enjoy the view. On the deck, people often sit, read a book, drink coffee, or eat lunch. Some yachts have solar panels on the roof. These solar panels make electricity for the boat. Safety is very important on a boat. That is why boats has life jacket and life bows. At night, boats use lights. The lights help other boats see them in the dark. Many yachts have a cabin inside. A cabin is like a small room. Inside the cabin, there may be beds, a table, and a small kitchen. Some yachts even have a shower and a toilet. People can spend several days on a yacht. Some families travel around the Netherlands by yacht during the summer. They visit different cities and stay in different harbors. This is one reason why Dutch harbors are often busy in summer. For many Dutch people, sailing is freedom. They enjoy moving slowly through canals, lakes, and the sea. They enjoy nature, silence, and life on the water. In the Netherlands, boats are a big part of life. Because of this, many people own boats or yachts. For many people, being on the water is relaxing. For Dutch people, boating is not only a hobby, it's also a part of their culture and their way of life.